Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are on the way to Gaidimjang, seeing the 4th Inter-School Sports Meet 2024, which is organized by the Zsuka Khoupum.
And flag bearer, Matthew Chunrong of class 10. And the girls commander, Priscilla Genway of class 10. And the flag bearer, Gaitama Genway of class 10.
The interest in sports is ever increasing in our country, India. Government of India is committed to supporting sports and ensuring more youth are able to play and shine. The sports culture at the grassroots level by building a strong framework for all sports. Then, sooner or later, you will see yourself coming out in flying colors. Together, we build a better society for all of us to live in. With these few words, let me conclude. Thank you. To express my deepest sense of gratitude and appreciation to our respected chief guest, Dr. Sangamlung Kamai, MO, Khoupum PHC, and guest of honor, Sir David Gangmai, Khoupum Area Private School Association, Chairman, for gracing us with your esteemed presence and sharing your inspiring words with us. Your support and encouragement mean a great deal to us. Thank you, sir.
With this, we come to the end of today's opening ceremony event.